What is up, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys what to do when you do not have a water source for your job, and that is using the fire hydrant. So I'm going to show you guys what that process is, and then also showing you an apartment complex we're about to wash. I'm actually here with my younger brother, who is now since taking over the business. So he's going to be setting this up. So the process, just to get you guys started, is when you need to use a fire hydrant, one, you need to contact your city hall. And then from there, they are going to, you can probably fill out some type of paperwork, put a deposit down, they're going to tell you the rate, and you're going to pretty much rent a meter from them and then connect it. And that's pretty much it. Now, unfortunately, the job we have to do is it's like across the street. They had a fire hydrant in front of it, but that one's not working. So we had to use this one. So we're gonna have to make a couple trips back and forth, refilling the tank throughout this job. But I just want to kind of give you guys some insight if you never have used a fire hydrant, or if you guys didn't know that's what you can do when you don't have your own water source. Should be able to take it off by hand. Here's the full component, guys. This is gonna screw into there. Then we have the faucet in at the top. Is the meter, so they can see how much water we've used. Try to put a little more, make sure it's tight. All right, guys, so it's all connected. It's not all the way on right now, that's why it's just dripping out. If we turn it on, obviously we have a super good flow, so this will fill up pretty quickly. And we're just gonna now connect it like a regular water faucet outlet and fill up the tank, and then drive over to the site and get this job done. All right, guys, so we actually already started washing. Ooh. So I'm gonna show you guys the building. Let me flip the camera. So we got these 3 buildings to do, plus the sidewalks. So the sidewalk here and the sidewalk there. The only unfortunate part is that this complex doesn't have any water, right? There's no water outlets in the building, which sucks. And they had a fire hydrant, right? So they had the fire hydrant here, but we couldn't use that one. So hence, you guys see at the beginning of this video, we had the fire hydrant that's kind of across the street over there. So we have to fill up every time we run out of water, which is the only thing that's gonna slow us down on this job. And we just finished washing the front of this building right here, and that took about a whole tank. So I estimate it's gonna take about 2.5 tanks per building to wash this. So we're gonna have to pause every time we run out and go refill it up. Now, luckily it's a fire hydrant, so it should fill up pretty quickly. But that's what we got going on, guys, is, you know, that's what happens when you don't have a water source. Luckily, that's the only reason why I could even accept this job, is because we had a tank. You know, if we just had a regular pressure washer, direct drive, we wouldn't be able to do this job at all, because there's literally nowhere to connect to, and the water outlet isn't close enough to use a hose connection. So anyway, guys, I will get you some more footage of washing once we are filled back up. All right, guys, so my phone ended up dying yesterday. I couldn't finish the video. But basically, so with us using the fire hydrant was our only other option, as I mentioned at the beginning of the video. But the problem was, yes, that we incurred was that without having water being fed into the tank, it made the job take so much longer. We had to fill up 5 times just for one building. So we're gonna go back on Saturday to finish the job up, the last 2 buildings, but we're gonna try to come up with another plan that will be more convenient than having to go to that fire hydrant and refill every time. Stopping and starting has really slowed us down. But anyway, guys, hopefully you at least learn you know, your available option and what to do if you do not have water on site. You can use, you know, going and figuring out how to get access to your city fire hydrant. And for you guys who have asked me about the course, it is still on sale, and the website is up, back and working, so it should be fine. Link will be in the description. It teaches you like pretty much A to Z how to start a pressure washing business, and as well as the ebook is also just $10, so that link is there below. Check it out. Have any questions, you let me know. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Peace out.